At Dallas PCI, learning doesn't stop at the podium. It happens in the cath lab, during live cases, and through cutting-edge discussion and debate, all surrounded with like-minded peers looking to further the horizons of the cardiovascular space. In our 2025 edition, attendees experienced a jam-packed 3 days of contemporary learning, led by some of the most respected voices in interventional cardiology. Faculty didn't just present findings. They shared their unique approaches to complex cases and walked through the underlying decisions that shape patient care every single day. In 2026, not only do we have the same world-class faculty that defines Dallas PCI, but we ensure the learning goes far beyond the conference itself. Dallas PCI isn't just about who speaks. It's an environment created where experts, colleagues, and professionals have the opportunity to network and build skills they otherwise wouldn't. Rounding out our experience, we have a full hands-on workshop day led by the very best. We have some of the biggest medical companies in the world showcasing their newest innovations. And we have the highest quality live case demonstrations, walking through every step of the process. An experience done best at Dallas PCI. This program isn't just listening and learning, it's doing. If you're committed to staying at the forefront of cardiovascular care, Dallas PCI 2026 belongs on your calendar. We're looking forward to seeing you all 3 days at the Renaissance in Dallas this September 11th through 13th.